Alright, hey and welcome to a random tutorial here. I'm just gonna take a look at how to cache things out to disk from Houdini. You can do this method with anything, with particles, with RBD, with volumes, with flip, anything you want to cache out, animation even, to lighten up the collision surfaces and stuff like this. But yeah, so I have a simulation here, really simple, just some particles, colored, just running up like this. And I want to cache this to disk. I want to simulate this and I want to have it on disk. Alright, how can I do this? Well, I can use a node called the ROP output driver. It looks kind of weird like this, so it's kind of telling that it's one of those weird nodes. So this one, you can actually here cache out all these frames to disk. So we're going to define a frame range. We're going to define 1 to 240. We're going to define an output file. We're gonna find here, we're gonna create a new folder and we're gonna call it temp cache 1, the folder, and then the file is gonna call temp cache 1 dot $f dot bgo.se. So what is this $.bgo.se? That's basically the end things you have to end any file you want to do a sequence of. So $f basically just gives an integer of the frame for each file, and the .bgo.sd is the extension of the file. So .bgo is a native Houdini format, and se is a compression to this bgo file, which basically means that the file will be lighter to load and a little bit lighter on disk, less space taken, and stuff like this. So yeah, that's it. And now we're gonna hit save to disk. It's gonna be super quick because it's already cached here on my memory, but it is actually cached here. As you can see, the files are present and they are, as you can see, temp cache 1.1.bgo.se and so on. And now to load them in, we can use a file. We can copy the output path. We can go to geometry file and we can paste copied reference, and we can see that it's actually loaded in here. So that's great. And once we do some kind of modification to this, let's say we go in here and do a higher amplitude of the noise or something like that, it's not gonna be the same, right? We can have to cache again because now it looks like this, and what we have on disk is looking like this. So let's go ahead and cache it again. Save to disk. There we go. And then just reload this. And voila, we have the newly updated simulation here. So it's quite straightforward and very simple to do this. It's just something that I thought I would just make a video on and include here. So yeah, hopefully you guys learned something. Again, you can do this for any type of geometry in Houdini. Volume, RBD, primitive, points, anything. So yeah, thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in the next tutorial.